we wouldn't like the government to blame anybody that they were not informed. That's what we can say. Because it becomes a political question where the government fails to act and the people act. And how they act.
This statement from Amama Mbabazi's legal team comes on the heels of continued clashes between supporters of the presidential candidates. The lawyers accuse the Electoral Commission of failing to restrain President Museveni's NRM supporters from conducting parallel rallies or political activities at the same venues initially booked by them. Twinobusingye says the silence by the Commission and police could fuel tensions.
If Dr. Badru Chigundu had done his work, you wouldn't have seen that circus in Tungam. And we wouldn't like it to be repeated, because the next repeat that you can see could be 10 times worse than that.
In a 21st December letter to the Electoral Commission, the lawyers say that not enough has been done to end the violence.
Electoral Commission, the Chairman of the Electoral Commission, the Director of Public Prosecutions, the Inspector General of Police, the Chairman of the Human Rights Commission, United Nations High Commission for Human Rights were served yesterday. We hope that they read the contents of this letter.
However, the Commission Deputy Spokesperson, Paul Bukenya, states otherwise.
Our actions are based on documented reports of non-compliance with election guidelines. If someone has a case that he or she has identified on the field and brings it to our attention and we investigate it, then that's when we reach out to a person who is affected by that or who is behind that. So I think we're doing that.
The lawyers also took issue with police for detaining 28 of Mbabazi's supporters, office staff and Go Forward campaign coordinators on 21st December. They say that Mbabazi's people have been held without trial beyond the stipulated hours.
And if by close of business these people are not released, these demands are not met, then the law will take its course, and we wouldn't like to tell you which law will take its course, because we have the law which is written in books. We also have the natural law which is not written, and that law which is not written includes self-defense.
However, police spokesperson Fred Denanga says the suspects have been transferred to Ntungamo district for trial because the allegations against them relate to incidents that happened there.
After taking them yesterday, of course, in that jurisdiction, we are still within the time limit, and if it was not that tomorrow is a holiday, then we would have produced them on Friday. But that means that they will appear before the Ntungamo Magistrates Court on Monday.
The lawyers gave police up to close of business today, Thursday, to produce the head of Mbabazi's security team, Christopher Aine, who is said to have been picked up by security operatives last week.
The family believes that Aine is dead. I do not think they sleep well.
But police insists they have no idea of Aine's whereabouts.
They are saying there is an ungazetted place, and also they can lead other rights bodies like the Uganda Human Rights Commission and show this is an ungazetted place where we believe Aine Christopher is, okay, and can be investigated if they can't cooperate with us.
The violent clashes between Mbabazi's and NRM supporters in Ntungamo happened 2 weeks ago, and he has since called off his campaigns in western Uganda. Shiron Huchre, NTV.